What is up, guys? It's your boy No Risk, No Premium, back with another episode of the Market Overview, guys. Today we got the sell from hell. It seemed like, right? We had the FOMC event. Jerome Powell basically said, for the most part, I wasn't really listening to that much, but it sounded like no rate cuts in March. Market reacted in such manner. Pretty decent volume. Now, is this the start of a pullback or a reversal? We won't know. We'll know, I think, when we test the top of this old balance zone in here, 48 to 41. That's if we get down there. But really quickly, we always go and check the economic data. We can see continuous jobless claims tomorrow, 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 1 hour before the market opens. We need to pay attention to that because the market moves on news that surrounds what the Fed will do. Well, Fed today said they're not going to make rate cuts, but if the jobs market is strong, et cetera, whatever, they look at jobs, they look at how much shit costs, i.e. CPI, PPI, PC, et cetera. So important to pay attention to any sort of jobs or price data that does come out. Tomorrow, we do have continuous jobless claims. So we'll have to pay attention there. Some data 30 minutes after the opening, you can see it's all the ISM, manufacturing, and PMI, and et cetera. You can see all that right here at 10. And then the following day, you can see that we do have the non-farm payrolls. So two sets of jobless jobs data coming out tomorrow and Friday. We need to pay attention to that, right? Need to pay attention to that. So the volatility or the swings or the price action, whatever, is not going to be over. We're definitely going to keep this thing moving, which is exciting if you like to trade big moves. All right, so we had the sell from hell today. Is this the reversal? Is this a pullback? Who knows? If we hold 48.7209, 48.70, 72.09 all night, that's a start. Really like the long at this 48.41. That's going to be my zone. We can go down to all the way 35s to about 40s. I like the long there. That's my high confidence long. I will definitely be sitting on the bid down there once we do get down there. But if we hold it 48.72 all night, look for a move back to that 4900 zone. You can take this out of there because that was my little gap I wanted to see if we can get buys, which we did have a bunch of buys down there at about in the 48.90s, higher 48.90s. That was fun today. Anyway, let us go for 48.72 going in tomorrow. If it holds, great. If not, you can look about 30 points lower at 48.40s. From there, SPY chart going to be pretty much the same as this ES chart here. I hate how when I switch through the charts, it automatically does that. Makes it look very weird. Have a nice gap here that now needs to possibly be filled. Do we get it? I don't know, but we're going to extend this bad boy out. We see this 478, 480. Are we going to get our back test there? It was the top of this old balance zone. Maybe. We got this zone highlighted. We would like to see if we can get that area tested. Like I said, decent volume here. Above the normal. So is this pullback? Is this reversal? Who knows? 478 to 480. That's my high probability long zone. 482, if we hold it all night, can't look for a move back above 485. 48 would be above there. QQQ broke through that 421 area, went right down to 417, closed right there. So we're going to watch this area all overnight, but I like this gap to get filled. 413, that's going to be my high probability longs. But if we hold 416 all night, it's not as strong as the zone, so I'm just going to keep the price level in there. I like the gap fill bounce at 413, but if 416, 417 holds all night, can look for that move back to 421, 423 all the way up to about 430 for there. But my high probability that I like 411 to 413, let's look for the bounce in there. IWM, same thing. Nice big red candle with some volume here, closing the gap here on this daily right here at 193 and holding. Do we hold that overnight? That's going to be the question. So we're going to watch this 193 overnight. If we do, I think we could definitely get a rotation back up to 198.50 and 202 above there. If not, watch the 188 bounce zone, as I do favor that for a bounce zone down here. If we get selly, just need to see where we open, guys. As usual, you got to wake up early, get your levels right, and of course, not do anything fucking stupid. I'll see you bright and early. Peace.